Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online by writing reviews. It is a free website and it also pays with PayPal. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So make sure to watch the video until the end. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. Cupdata.com is the first website where you may make a lot of money by posting reviews. Making reviews is now a breeze because all you have to do is provide some insights and add a little something extra to spice it up. And you're done. Thousands of software categories are available to you right now on this page. You'll be able to make money for free if you click on any of those. To be clear, this method is entirely free and generally available regardless of where you are on the planet. And you don't have to worry if you don't speak English because the process is objectively fairly simple. I'm sure you'll be able to come up with something on your own. So have faith in yourself. Now, go to their website and look in the upper right corner where it says Write a Review, as shown above. Obviously, you'll click on it and be sent to this website, where you can begin the process of writing a review. But first, they'll ask you to select the software you want to analyze, which you may do now to make your life easier. They also list some of the most popular softwares right here. They are only some of the best reviewed softwares, so you can pick any of them. This is to guarantee that the procedure runs as smoothly as possible and that you have no problems during the selecting stage. I'll make the choice for you. I'll type PPT into the search bar right here and choose Microsoft PowerPoint. You'll then be directed to this page where you can start writing a Microsoft PowerPoint review. Before I forget, you can actually carry out and complete this full method with any gadget you have. You're worried because all you have is a phone? That isn't a problem because this method is both free and accessible. We will return to this page to finish this, but keep in mind that this is only the first stage. As I previously indicated, it may appear intimidating, but there is no need to be concerned since I assure you that I will be present. We'll fill in some of the fields that ask the basic information like your first and last names, email address, and job title, as you can see. I recommend choosing freelancer if you're unclear what to put in your job title box and don't know what to put in. Simply enter that in there. And promise me that you will not leave it blank or your application will be rejected. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money making strategies online. Then you'll fill in the organization name field and I'd like you to put self-employed in there. Then you'll tell them what industry you work in right now. So just mention what applicable to you, even if I'm sure you don't have any experience as a beginner. If you're a rookie like me, I'm here to tell you that you have nothing to worry about. Simply select the computer software option to gain a considerable competitive advantage over the applicants. Then, as the company size, select solely myself and tell them how long you've been using the evaluated software, Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, don't just type whatever you like in this section. It's crucial to the success of your application. I want you to be proud of yourself, so choose the ones with longer months, like this one right here that says 6 to 12 months, and you can even choose more. This is to confirm that you are genuine, as your evaluation must be trustworthy and valid if you have more experience with the product. Then right here, you'll notice a question that asks, how frequently do you use this software? Simply select the option that says weekly and then tell them about the participation with the product. I'd like you to click the box next to I'm a user since you're using this software for personal reasons. And then that's all. But wait, that's only the first of 3 steps. You're not through yet. Make sure you apply the techniques and ideas I offered because they will give you an advantage over other applicants and will assist you in working your way up the team and getting accepted much more quickly. Because you've already finished the first stage, all that's left is to go on to the next. You'll be brought to a page where you'll be asked to click on some buttons and answer some questions if you press the button. Although some of the questions are optional, I'd like to give you a heads up. Make sure to answer all of the questions and fill in all of the blanks. Don't leave any questions unanswered if you want to increase your chances of being accepted. What's the worst that might happen? It'll just take a couple of moments. Anyway, this phase is simply because all you'll be doing is ranking their characteristics. These factors include, for example, overall quality, ease of use, and usefulness, all of which are listed on this page. You can give them as many stars as you like, but I strongly suggest you to give them high ratings, such as 4 or 5 stars, so that your review appears outstanding. They'll now question you about the cost, and you'll have the option to select whatever you want. For the final portion, they'll ask you how likely that is you'd tell a friend or coworker about PowerPoint. If we're being entirely honest, PowerPoint deserves 10 out of 10 for providing exceptional services that significantly improve presentations and, as a result, make life easier for thousands of users throughout the world. The second step has now been finished. Let us now go on to the third phase. The third stage of the procedure is the most significant because it is here that we will compose the actual review. As you go through the website, you will be asked to fill in these fields. Here's where you'll put the title of your review. At the end, fill in the benefits and drawbacks, your overall experience, and a few yes or no questions. Let's get our review started at the bottom of the page. The first thing you'll do is type in your title. Make your title as interesting as possible, as long as it relates to the overall idea of the Microsoft PowerPoint review. After that, you'll write some prose about the software, informing people of the advantages of using Microsoft PowerPoint. In this area, you'll provide as many positive attributes as possible in order to achieve an overall positive rating. After you've typed in the benefits, you'll also offer some disadvantages. Make sure to keep your review critical and frank in the cons field here, and aim for the betterment of the service. Following that, you'll write about your overall experience using Microsoft PowerPoint and just respond to the guidelines questions. If you're having trouble writing your review, I've got a little secret for you. You can navigate to the website and read evaluations submitted by thousands of people from all over the world. I want you to gather some ideas and references from these reviews, and then you can start from there. To develop a well-organized and comprehensive evaluation, you can model your complete review after these already published reviews. After you've finished this level, all you have to do now is answer the yes or no questions right here. They'll question whether you switched from another software, to which you may simply respond no. And then if you integrate any products with Microsoft PowerPoint, to which you can simply respond yes. All that's left to do now is submit it. But before you do, make sure you agree to the terms and conditions as well as the privacy policy by checking this box. And you'll be done with your review in no time. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money online by writing reviews. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.